What's going on, everybody? So today we're doing turkey. Now, I'm not doing a full turkey, I'm doing turkey breast. We don't eat dark meat in this house, so why waste all this time? Now, the great thing about this bird is this is gonna be a no-brine, juiciest bird you've ever tried, or bird breast, whatever you wanna call it. So let's get into this. So as you can see, we got a couple pound turkey breast, we got some skin on it. We're gonna take that skin off. And again, not brining this, and I'm telling you, you're gonna see how easy this is to do this. And the reason why I decided to go with the no brine method is because you watch a lot of these videos on doing turkeys and stuff like that. Some people may not have coolers to sit there and brine them in. They may not have brine buckets like I do. So I want to do no brine juicy turkey. So let's go ahead and let's get this skin pulled off of here. And last year we did this style of turkey. We had a bunch of friends over, so we did a little Friendsgiving. And you can ask them. Juicy? Oh, God, it was juicy. And if you get a little cut in here, don't worry about it. You'll be fine. And what we're going to do right now is we're just going to kind of look at this and come here on this bottom, and we're just going to trim off some of these little pieces like this because I don't really care too much about it. The other good thing about doing these turkey breasts like this is when you get done, if you have a deli slicer, I got one down here that I use to make beef jerky and stuff. You can slice it real thin, make sandwiches out of it. But you know, like I said, you can do that with a normal turkey. We're just, again, I don't eat dark meat. My kids don't really do it. So go ahead and tell me how you feel about that one. Also in the comments, tell me what's your favorite part of the turkey? Is it the breast? I know a lot of people like the turkey legs. If people didn't like turkey legs, it wouldn't be at every carnival that you go to. So now we're gonna do something, you know, I've never done this before, but we're gonna go ahead and try it. I saw this on Meat Church and I said, hey, let's go ahead and give it a try. And what he does is he uses mayo as a binder and he swears you'll never taste it. So we're gonna try this out and see what happens with it. So, you know, Meat Church has been doing things for a long time. So, I mean, if he says try it, I mean, hell, we can try it. So I put like a little dollop of mayonnaise on there. Like he said, he swears you can't taste it. So we're just gonna get it all the way around there. All right, so we got that out of the way. Now what we're gonna do is we need to season the bottom side first. And what we're gonna go with is the heavy smoke white label. My buddy Chase, he swears by this stuff. You know, he used it, and generally, for anybody that knows me, I'm using Gulf Coast smoke, everything competition wise, and I wanted to show you guys another option. So again, we're gonna go with the world champion heavy smoke white label, and we're gonna get a good little coating on there. And all we're gonna do now is we're gonna let this sit here for probably about, I don't know, 15-20 minutes while I get the pit going. We're gonna run again 275. We're running 275 on everything. So let me go get this pit going and let's get this turkey on the pit. All right, so we're about an hour, and what I want you to see is I'm looking for color right here. And you can see this beautiful color. And if I run my finger across, you know, there's a little bit of moving on the seasoning, but I'm not too worried about that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this off, we're gonna take it over to the board, and we're gonna do the next step of this. Okay, so like I said, we've been on for about an hour, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna do the next crucial part of this entire thing. Let's get some gloves on, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna get 2 things of this foil. All we're gonna do, we're gonna take this butter. So I just got some little things of salted butter, and I got 3 of them. So we're gonna cut them in half real quick. I'm gonna put 3 on bottom, 3 on top. Now think about this, where the skin would be at on this turkey breast, right? So the skin's gonna be on this side. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna push these 3 together, and we're gonna go skin down, kind of moving on us, and then I'm gonna put, I can probably get away with putting 2 on top. Now, we're gonna take this first set of foil, nice and tight in here. Now the reason why we're doing this is because we want all this butter in here. This is where we're gonna get away with the no brine. We want all this butter to work its magic. So, double foil like always. Now, I learned a little trick. If you go right here, and you take that second layer, build it up like that, you've got a handle. works on ribs, it works on everything. So instead of sitting there trying to grab them like this, grab it by its handle. So we're gonna go put this back on the pit. Like I said, I'm gonna probably check it in about 30 minutes. I don't know what temp we're at right now. Again, I was cooking to color, but here in about 30 minutes, I'm gonna check it. We wanna go to about 162, 163, 160-ish, because we're gonna put it in the Cambro and we're gonna let it rest for a little bit. So, we get this back on the smoker, we'll check it with you in just a minute. All right, everybody, so once we wrapped it took about another hour, hour and a half, and then we rested it for about a good 30 minutes to an hour. So like I said, your bird is gonna depend on your size. I always have my, where is it at? I always have my trusty ink bird to let me know. So we pulled it at 160. All right, so let's unwrap it and let's see what we got. So I told you this is gonna be the juiciest non-brining turkey ever. Now you can save all this liquid inside here to make your gravy and stuff, but we ain't making gravy today. We're just eating. Like I said, if you wanted to take that and put that on there. Now what we can do at this point is let's hit it up with a little bit more rub. So we're gonna hit this up with just a little bit more rub, a little light. And for this isn't competition. So I mean, hey, look, if the neighbors don't like it, hey, whatever, you know? So let's see what we got here in the middle. Oh my baby. I can tell you right now, it's so tender and juicy. I can tell you right now. Oh, it's so juicy. So juicy. Hold on. Now, I don't even know why you're coming over here, because you don't want to be on the camera. Do you just want me to scoop you some and give it to you on the side? All right, hold on. Guys, she don't want to be on the camera, so here we go. Now she's off the camera. She's gonna try it. Hey, the look on her face was an approval. So, here we go. Whoa. All right, look, I've brined birds before and I've brined breasts and all that stuff, but I will tell you right now, this no-brine turkey breast, you can be the winner at Thanksgiving this year. I don't even know. I don't know if you can see that. Like, hold on. Here's what we gotta do. Let's get the daughter. Let's get the daughter out here. Lexi, come here. The good thing about kids is they'll never lie to you. So let's see. Hold on, Lexi, come here. I'm gonna give you, come over here. You wanna come get on? I don't even know if they'll see you on camera, but here's what I'm gonna do. You're gonna try to stand up there. All right, so baby girl, I want you to try that. And no, you can pick it up with your hands. I know typically I just shove it in your face and say, eat it. What do you think?
No.
Is it juicy?
Yeah.
All right, get out of here. But guys, I'm saying right now, for a no-brine turkey, and I get it, it's not the whole bird. It's just the breast. But again, that's what we like. I'm telling you right now, that's so juicy. This is amazing, guys. I'm telling you, try this. The no-brine, juiciest turkey breast you're ever gonna eat. I'm telling you, follow this. You're gonna love it. You're gonna like it. And it'll be the star at your Thanksgiving dinner. Y'all make sure that you like, subscribe, turn those notifications on so you know when I put out another video. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you have a good holiday season, whether you do Thanksgiving or not. I'm telling you, this turkey breast is amazing. Y'all be good.